my name is Nikki and I'm the owner of WorldTown Cosmetics. Welcome to our first video tutorial. Today we'll be doing a look that will be nice and simple. Our aim is to get you out the door in 10 minutes. We're going to be using a nice shade range that is versatile and should look good on a variety of skin tones. Let's get started. First off, we want to start with the complexion. For Amy, she has a little bit of redness in her skin, so we're going to use the Redness Rescue Cream by Fit Glow Beauty to help reduce that. This is also going to act as a primer as well, so we will be skipping that step. Secondly, we're going to go on ahead and apply her eye primer. We're going to get the primers out of the way. I like to apply the primer around the whole entire eye area. I do find you get a much better application and blend with a finger application. Afterwards, we're going to go on and pop on the Eye Bright by Fit Glow Beauty. This is a great color neutralizer for the under eye area. With its strong yellow tones, it helps to cancel out any darkness. Next, we're going to apply foundation. Amy's got really fair skin, so we're using the Fit Glow Vita Active Foundation in the VF1. Next, we'll go in with a little bit of concealer. We're just going to apply these to the areas that need a little extra coverage. Next step, we want to set our foundation. So we'll just use a little bit of a loose powder for this. If your skin's on the drier side, you definitely want to go on the lighter side with your powder application. Oilier skin, you're definitely going to need a little bit more to keep that foundation set. Next, we're going to apply blush. Because we want to keep this easy, we're going to use PYT by Concrete Minerals, which we'll also be using on the eyes. Love using products that have multiple functionalities. PYT is definitely a favorite. We'll just blush it slightly across the cheekbones. And we'll also do a little bit of a highlight. Again, we're going to use the same color that we're going to use on the eye area. We're going to be using the Concrete Minerals Prude, which is a beautiful, soft pink shimmer. So next, we're going to move on to the eyes now that we have our complexion finished. We're going to start off with just buffing out a little bit into the crease. So we're going to take Bandit by Concrete Minerals, a nice fluffy dome brush, and we're just going to take that and buff it into the crease. Next, we're going to take PYT and we are going to put that all over the lid. This is a beautiful pinky peach tone. I really feel like it can wear on any skin tone. It looks good on everyone. So we'll just take standard eyeshadow brush and pat that onto the lid up to the crease. Next, we're going to take Prude again, and we're going to go in and add that as our highlight. So you want to highlight the inside corner of your eye as well as just under your brow bone. You can use a big fluffy brush for this. I like to use a bit more of a bullet brush because it does give me more color payoff. I'm a big fan of a highlight, so I like to be able to see it. For liner, we're just going to use a powder and a push liner brush. This is the easiest way to do liner I can possibly think of. Very time efficient. So you just take a little bit of powder, push it into the lash line, good to go. You don't really have to be too careful if you make a mistake. It's not a big deal. Last for the eyes, we're going to go in with some mascara. We're using the Good Lash by Fit Glow Beauty. Just a little heads up, this is a very organic mascara, so anyone who has sensitivities with mascaras, this is a product you need to try. Next, we're going to fill in Amy's eyebrows. So we're just going to take Bandit, the shade we used in the crease, and a standard eyebrow brush, and we're just gonna go in and lightly fill in the eyebrows. We're going for a really natural look here, so nothing too structured. And last but not least, we're gonna move on to lips. We're going to do just a really nice subtle lip. I love the Concrete Mineral lip tints. They are the ultimate purse companion when it comes to lips. They hydrate like a dream, they got a nice color payoff, and they're perfect for everyday wear. So this completes our look. It's a really straightforward, easy to do look. With a little practice, should take you about 10 minutes to get it done. However, if you are like us, we like to add a little bit of sparkle to our look. So we're gonna go on ahead and add just a little bit of glitter on the lid with Lit Cosmetics glitter. So to apply our Lit Cosmetics glitter, we're gonna take our Lit Cosmetics glitter adhesive. We're gonna take a synthetic brush and just dampen it with the adhesive. I like to work off the back of my hand. Then we're gonna take our dampened brush and we're going to just dip it in the glitter. Make sure you tap out the excess because you don't want glitter all over your face. And then you're going to take your brush and just pat on the glitter just on the lid. This is gonna add a little extra shine, but it's still pretty daytime friendly. Thank you everyone for watching our first tutorial. Really hope you enjoyed it. You can head down to WorldTown Cosmetics to get all these products. Thanks again for watching. We'll be back with more tutorials, so stay tuned.